How to search players in Clash Royale. The first things first is access or open up your Clash Royale application. Ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the game because you will be able to see that kind of feature. Then here, make sure that you logged into your account. And once you logged in, all you have to do to go ahead and search for players is go to your clan dashboard. To do that, just simply press on these two swords right here, the red and the blue one, which is going to be located at the lower right portion of your screen, which is going to be the clan tab. Then here, all you have to do next is just to go to your current clan by tapping up on this icon right here, the purple icon at the top right portion. And then in here, tap on your current clan. Now all you have to do to search for players is by tapping up this magnifying glass right here. And for you to be able to search for players, you must knowledgeable about their clan name. Now once you do have the clan name, just simply tap on that current clan and you will now then be able to see the players from the clan inside that specific group. So there you go. So that's how you find players on Clash Royale.